Good morning, everyone, and today I'm going to record our advanced Java programming activity 1 for exercise 1 for finals. And the general requirements is to create a GUI application that will determine among the sales people who can receive one of the three following commission rates based on their sales. And it's 8% for 100,000 or higher, and 6% commission for 20,000 to 99,999 supposed to be, and 5% commission on 20,000 and less. So our teacher said, create your flowchart containing the steps on how you solve the problem. The logic in your actual code must have relation to what you have included in your flowchart display. The sales and the total commission the person might get. There's no need to get the name of the person. Make use of their relational and logical operators. So I took note of this one, and there are other methods that we can do, but it says make use of relational and logical operators, and so that's what we're going to do. So I already made a flowchart regarding this program, and first you have to declare and initialize the global variables, and then you need to input the total sales, and then here we'll be using a relational and what do you say, logical operator. So in here, the first flowchart is to check if the inputted amount is greater than or equal to the low sales, which is 20,000, and total sales is greater than or equal to lesser than or equal to high sales. That means any amount from 20,000 to 99,900 would be true. So if it's true, you just compute the commission and multiply it to 0.06. That's the 6%. That means this is the middle value. Else, you have to go here, and then there's another if statement here, and if the total sales is greater than the high sales, that means you are 100,000 and above. Then you have to multiply total sales to 0.08 or 8%. Else, you're multiplying it to the lower value or lower commission, which is 0.05. And then finally, when you get the total commission, you display the total sales made by the agent and the total commission made by the agent. So let's proceed into coding and do this. Import Java G option. We're going to use GUIs. Oops. Wait a minute. Put that there. And then public class Salesperson commission. Close. And then we're going to declare the values. Static value. Final. No, should be double. Double low sales. 1,000, 123, 100. Static value. Double sales equals 1,099. Okay, that's about it. And then public static thing. Look at it again. So what does it say? No, I like public. Global sales 0. Total commission was 0. Let's just put down here. It's reducing the same. Person commission. Now, string get. Wait a minute. Get sales. And then the option that show input, because we're going to input values. Okay. Enter your sales. Fix. Switch. Okay. String get. Oh wait. Remove this. get sales. Ready get sales for you. Now, you pass the value, get commission. I'm going to name the class complete commission. Total sales, total commission. Alright, now we're done with this one. Now, public, global, yes, commission, Jherome, global, surpassing global, total sales, global, take note of this, order of this one, total commission. Impressive. Tama. So dito, values yet. So what we're going to do, we have zero value here first as initial value. So, okay. And then, now we're going to get the commission. Okay, so let's use this statement. Total sales is greater than equal to total sales end. Total sales lesser than or equal to high sales. Then do this. Good. And then so complete the total commission plus total sales times 0.06. Tama. Tama because show message. And now, yeah, this is correct. This is the mid-range commission. Sale is commission plus sales, right, plus backslash n. Wait, let's move to the next one. Backslash n, and then commission is space plus your commission, total commission, okay, plus period. Alright, so we can copy this one and use it for later reference. So we're going to use another if statement. If total sales is greater than high sales, that means you're getting the highest sale. Oh, correct. For what happened? Wait, control D. Copy this one, control C, control D. Done. So dapat ito A. Then we use another else. Okay. Sabihin, we use the smaller one, we use 5. Then, let's check. Let's return the value. Here, return total commission. So we're done. I forgot to do it in the presentation mode. I'm very sorry. So let's just view here and do it in the full screen mode. Okay, so you can see. No. View presentation. Presentation. So you can see. Okay. Report. Class. Global values. And then initialize to 0. And then created object. And then we ask for the total sales, and then we turn the string into double, and then pass the values to get commission, and then create the commission plan, and then receive the values, and then we made relational and if statements. Okay? And then we return the value, and then display the value. And so let's try to run. How do we run this? We run succeed. Try to run program. Oh, there's an error. Shouldn't be private public? I think it should be public. Should be private then? Nope. Sabi dito, returns encountered. Oh no! Okay na kanina. Salesperson commission. Oh, function. Okay. Okay, that's the error. No. So there was a typo. Salesperson commission. Tama naman. Okay. Should be letter S. Double S. Ano ba ate? No? Typo ba mo? Now let's try to run the program. And this should be, let's try more than the 99,000. 100,000, 8%. Should be 8,000 commission. Great. Now, let's try to run again. And let's try the middle value, 50,000. Okay, so 3,000 because we're using 8 6%. And then let's try stop it. Wait. Total sales is 99,000, 20,000 or less. Let's try 15,000. Oh no, 10,000. And the 5% of 10,000 is 50. Alright, 5 times. Okay. Now, that's the end of this exercise or tutorial. And thank you so much for watching. So please subscribe and like this video if you like it. And share it to your friends.